Okay, Felicia, this is for you. Here's the Westinghouse elevator at Bloomingdales, Willow Grove Park Mall, Willow Grove, Pennsylvania. Close the door by pressing the 1 button. Go to 3. Nice older Westinghouse. One of Felicia's favorites. Nobody's here, we'll take it for one more ride. Sounds like it's a little low on oil. This is very similar to the one at King of Prussia, except this was installed 1 year later. I'm willing to bet that this used to have bumpers. Here's your added phone. Because I don't think this thing used to have a phone. Maybe it did, I don't know. This used to have classic leveling. Alright, now let's get the machine room. And that's it.